Citizen Science Month is coming to an end. I know, me too, man. Here's a quick recap of what we did in April. We kicked off Citizen Science Month with a quick video introduction about citizen science and how everyday citizens like you and me can participate. Watch it to get a TLDR on citizen science. Next, we took one of the many citizen science projects that were available this month and conducted an experiment with special guests Catherine and Sebastian. The Ant Picnic experiment is designed to help scientists find out what ants prefer to eat around the world. Check it out on our YouTube channel. As part of our Citizen Science Month initiative, we gave away milkweed seedlings with every checkout for the month of April. Planting milkweed can help restore the monarch butterfly population by providing food and a place to lay their eggs. Then we challenged our very own Mr. Poe to answer science-based questions on his show, Quizzing Mr. Poe, where he gets quizzed on various topics like anime and pop culture. Does he make a fool of himself, or is he a genius? Find out now on our YouTube channel. We want to take a moment to thank all of you who participated in Citizen Science Month, from the taking out of our Citizen Science kits and signing up for our online programs. But Citizen Science doesn't stop here. You can continue helping out scientists everywhere by participating in projects like the All of Us program from the National Institute of Health and visiting scistarter.org, where there are many more projects to choose from. And remember, anyone can be a citizen scientist.